Welcome back to Car Trend, where we explore the most exciting and powerful vehicles on the road. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie Quad Cab 4WD, a full-size pickup that perfectly balances rugged performance with modern luxury. If you're looking for a truck that can handle tough jobs, off-road adventures, and daily driving in style, this is the one to watch. From the moment you see it, the Ram 1500 makes a statement. The bold front grille commands attention with its muscular design and chrome accents, while the sleek LED headlights give it a modern, aggressive look. The overall stance of the truck is imposing yet refined, signaling both strength and sophistication. The 2026 updates make this Ram look sharper and more confident than ever. Step inside the quad cab, and you'll notice the attention to detail and comfort. The cabin combines high-quality leather seating with durable materials, ensuring a luxurious feel without sacrificing practicality. Legroom is generous for both front and rear passengers, making long drives comfortable for everyone. The dashboard features a large touchscreen with Dodge's Uconnect system, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and intuitive navigation controls. Voice commands and easy-to-access buttons make interacting with technology simple and safe while driving. Under the hood, the 2026 Ram 1500 Laramie Quad Cab 4WD packs serious power with its V8 engine option. The truck delivers impressive horsepower and torque, giving you the strength to tow trailers, haul heavy cargo, or dominate challenging terrains. The 4WD system enhances off-road capabilities, providing confidence on slippery surfaces, dirt trails, and snowy roads. Suspension has been refined to deliver a smooth and controlled ride, whether you're cruising highways or tackling uneven terrain. Storage and utility are highlights of the Ram 1500. The bed offers ample space with features like LED bed lighting and multiple tie-down points. The multifunction tailgate makes loading and unloading convenient, while the towing capacity allows you to bring along trailers, boats, or equipment with ease. Every detail is designed for both work and recreation. Safety features in the 2026 Laramie are top-notch. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies work together to provide confidence and peace of mind, whether you're navigating city traffic or exploring off-road trails. On the road, the Ram 1500 Laramie Quad Cab 4WD feels stable, responsive, and smooth. Steering is precise, braking is reliable, and acceleration is effortless. The cabin remains quiet even at highway speeds thanks to improved insulation and aerodynamic design. Long drives feel controlled, enjoyable, and surprisingly comfortable for a full-size pickup. For tech enthusiasts, the 2026 model offers wireless charging, premium audio options, and a customizable digital display. Every interior element, from seat stitching to trim details, emphasizes Dodge's commitment to quality, functionality, and style. The truck perfectly combines rugged capability with modern luxury, making it a versatile choice for drivers who want the best of both worlds. In summary, the Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie Quad Cab 4WD 2026 is a full-size pickup that excels in performance, comfort, and technology. It's tough yet refined, powerful yet practical, and equipped with features that make every drive enjoyable. If you're searching for a truck that can handle heavy-duty work while providing a premium driving experience, this Ram 1500 is a top contender. Thanks for watching Car Trend. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest vehicle reviews, test drives, and automotive trends. Stick around for more exciting rides and in-depth reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.